Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you another super recipe and we are making Hausa porridge. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. So lovelies, let's get started. In a bowl, I pour in spice millet flour. If you want to know how I made this flour, let me know in the comments, okay? It's very simple and easy. And then I add water to it. We are going to turn this into a dough form. The idea is to get this fermented. So if you have intention of making Hausa porridge the next day, a night before, then you start the process. If you are using flour like the way I'm using flour here, you have to turn it into a dough form, then we allow it to rest overnight, okay? Then the next day we continue the process, guys. It's 8 p.m. I'm going to cover this and allow it to rest overnight. I'll see you on the next day. It's the next day and our dough has fermented, so I'm going to transfer this into a different container and then I add more water to it. Make sure you are using a potable water, okay? It's very important. And then we stir to dissolve our dough. You can also use your hand to mash, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? Okay, so we set this aside and then we get our bowl here and we put chiffon cloth on it. Then we go ahead and strain this. You can also use a strainer to strain this, but using a chiffon cloth is the easiest, okay? I'm going to strain this for the second time. You don't need to do that. If you trust your first straining, you don't need to strain this for the second time. But I don't know, I just feel like straining this for the second time, okay? And I didn't even get anything. I add more water and then I cover it. I'm going to allow this to rest for at least 2 to 3 hours. So it's almost 3 hours now. We are going to separate the water from the millet, okay? And the water is the fermented part. Okay, we set this aside and then we bring the water to a boil. So now we take it off the fire, and before you add the hot water to your millet, you have to first stir your millet. I cut that part out. I shouldn't have. Okay, sorry for that. You have to stir before you add the water, else your porridge may form lumps, and we don't want that. And when it comes to the thickness, it depends on you. In my house, they don't like too thick porridge. So if you add all the water and still the porridge is too thick to your likeness, you can add warm water to adjust the consistency, okay? And you know we are in Ramadan period, and we are preparing iftar like that, and it's not time to break our fast, so I pour that into this small ice chest and I set this aside. You saw how easy it was to make your own porridge at home. It's not good that all the time you go out there to buy. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy, but we should less buying and then more homemade. If you do that, you at least know what you are taking into your stomach, and that way we all live a healthy life. And here I have my pinka. So what is porridge? Hausa porridge without pinka. So, and what is pinka? So without Hausa porridge, the two are besties. They go together. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.